Hi, today we'll be discussing a Vedic maths short trick regarding squaring any number. So now let's try to understand this method, which is known as the duplex method. The name of this method is duplex method. It takes a bit of time to understand the process, but once we are done with it, it will be a cakewalk in order to calculate the square roots of any number. Okay, so let's understand what is the meaning of the word duplex. If I'm talking about duplex, so let's try to understand how will we calculate duplex in case of a single digit number. If I have a single digit number, let's say it is 0, then the duplex of 0 is going to be 0. The duplex of 1 is square of 1. Duplex of 2 is the square of 2. Duplex of 3 is the square of 3. Duplex of 4 is the square of 4. Duplex of 5 is the square of 5. Duplex of 6 is the square of 6, and so on. So the duplex of 9 will be 81. That is the square of 9. This was while we were discussing single digit numbers. How to calculate the duplex for two digit numbers. Now, if I have two digit numbers and then I have to calculate the duplex, the formula is quite simple. Let's write the two digit number as A, B. A and B are the face values of the two digit number. In order to calculate the duplex of AB, I'm going to write twice of AB. So if I write 2AB, that is going to be the duplex of AB. Now my two digit number is AB. When I calculated the duplex, it came out to be twice of AB. Let's try to see a few examples to understand the concept. If I have to find the duplex of 2, 3, that is the number 23, we are going to consider the face values 2 and 3. Now, after I consider the face values 2 and 3, in order to calculate the duplex, I have to multiply them. 2 into 3 is going to be 6, twice of that is 12. So the duplex of 23 will be 12. Let's take another number, 78. If the number is 78, the digits are 7 and 8. A is 7, B is 8. Now, if I have to calculate the duplex of 78, let's multiply them. It is 56. Twice of 56 will be 112. Okay. Now, let's take another example. Let's say there is a two digit number 99. If I have to calculate the duplex of 99, I have to multiply 9 with 9 and then with 2. 9 into 9 is 81. Multiplied with 2 gives me 162. This is how we calculate the duplex of a two digit number. Let's move forward to a three digit number. So now if there is a three digit number and I have to calculate the duplex of that three digit number, let's see the formula. If the number is ABC, A, B, C are the face values of that three digit number. If I have to calculate the duplex of ABC, it's going to be twice of AC plus B squared. Now, if I have to see twice of AC plus B square, let's take an example. The three digit number is 123. If I have to find the duplex of the three digit number 123, the duplex will be twice of the face values of the extreme numbers. Sorry, not the extreme numbers, the numbers present at extreme positions. That is 1 and 3. 1, 3 plus b square. B square is going to be the square of 2. 3 2s are 6 and 2 times 2 is 4. So duplex of 1 to 3 will be 10. Now let's try to understand it by the help of another example. If the three digit number is 507, then the duplex is going to be twice of the numbers occupying the extreme positions, that is 5 and 7. So if I multiply 5 with 7, I'll have to add the square of 0. That is the duplex of a single digit number, which is 0. So now let's see what's happening. 7 5s are 35 times 2, 70 plus 0. So the duplex is going to be 70. I hope the method is clear. Let's quickly revise what we have covered. The duplex of a single digit number is just the square of it. The duplex of a two digit number is twice of the product of the face values of those two numbers. Now, the duplex of three digit number is going to be calculated as the product of numbers occupying the extreme positions, twice of that, and you have to add b square, that is the square of the middle term. Okay, I hope it's clear how to calculate duplex. Now, let's try to understand how to calculate the square of a number. If I have to find the square of that number ABC, first we have to analyze the pattern. ABC will be written as A. ABC is going to be written as A, AB, okay, we are going to write it as A, then AB, then ABC, then BC, then C. So what did I do? First I wrote the extreme elements individually. Then I incorporated the next term B, I wrote AB and I wrote BC. And then I wrote the 3-digit number. In this manner, we are going to calculate the duplex. And after we are done with the duplex, we are going to add the number. So let's try to understand this with the help of an example. If I have to find the square of a 3-digit number, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now let's quickly write it in the format 1, then I have to write 1 2 followed by 1 2 3, which will be followed by 2 3, and ultimately I'll write 3. So I wrote 3, then 2 3, then the entire number 1 2 3, then only 1 2 and only 1. Now I have to write the duplexes of each term. Duplex of 3 is 9. Duplex of 2 3 is going to be 3 times 2, 6 times 2, that is 12. 3 ones are 3, twice is 6, and 4 will be 10. 1 into 2 is 2, multiplied with 2 is going to be 4. The square of 1 is 1. Now we are going to proceed with the addition. We have to add all these terms. I'll write 9 over here. From 1 to, I can only put one digit. So I'm going to put 2 over here. And this one will be carried forward. 10 plus 1 becomes 11. Now of this 11, I'm going to write 1 over here and this one will be carried. 4 plus 1 is 5. Since that's a single digit, I'll write it over here. 1 is also a single digit, so I'll write it over here. This is going to be the answer for the square of 1, 2, 3. Now let's try to analyze another example. Now if I have to calculate the square of 203, again I'll follow the format 2, 20, 203, 03 and 3. Let's quickly write the duplexes. Duplex of 3 is 9. Multiply them, it's going to be 0. 3 2s are 6 times 2 is 12 plus 0, it will be 12. 2 times 0 is 0 and the square of 2 is 4. Now if I have to write each term, I'm going to write 9 over here, then I'll copy the 0. From 12, I'll write down 2 and I'll carry the 1. 0 plus 1 is 1, so I'll write 1 and then I'll write 4. So the value is going to be 41209, which is the square of 203. Let's understand it with the help of another example. What if I have to calculate the square of 120? Okay, again I'll write 1, 12, 120, 20, then 0. Duplex of 0, duplex of this is going to be 4, this is going to be 4, and this is going to be 1. So I'll carry the, so I'll write the 0, copy the 0, copy 4, copy 4, copy 1. And as we know, the square of 12 is 144, 2 times 0 will be copied over here. So this answer is correct. Now let's try to understand it with the help of another example. Let's say the number is 361. So I'll create the format 3, 36, 361, 61 and then 1. So now I have to calculate the duplex of 1, that is 1. 6 times 1 is 6, times 2 is 12. Then 3 ones are 3, twice is 6 and 36 will be 42. Now 3 times 6 is 18, twice of that is going to be 36. So now 3 times 6 18 into 2 is 36. The square of 3 is going to be 9. Fine, I'll write 1 over here, then I'll write the 2, carry the 1, 43, I'll write 3, carry the 4, 40, I'll write 0, because it was 40, I'll carry the 4, 9 plus 4 is 13. So the square of 361 is going to be 130321. Okay, I hope that's clear. If you have any doubts, please comment. Thank you.